Adapt or die. Pragmatic leaders do what it takes. Next up, session 9, part 2. Evaluate desired student products. The third step is to get useful measures of the desired student product. Count the number of interactions that meet criteria, do not meet criteria, time the duration of the interactions, divide count by duration to calculate the rates of appropriate social interactions, inappropriate social interactions. The baseline rates were 5.4 appropriate social interactions per minute, 1.8 inappropriate social interactions per minute. Why measure the rate? Because time has value. Which desired product has more value? Rate of appropriate social interactions, 1 per hour or 30 per minute. Well-written student essay completed in 20 minutes or 60 minutes. Software that passes user testing 3 months from project start or 12 months. The fourth step is evaluate the desired student product. To do that, we add evaluation standards. In this case, a high rate of 30 appropriate social interactions per minute, high rate of appropriate social interactions, accuracy, 0 errors, and stability on 3 consecutive measures. Evaluate the student product. Compare measures of the current to the desired product. If baseline rates are 5.4 appropriate social interactions per minute, 1.8 inappropriate, and desired rates are 30 appropriate social interactions per minute and 0 errors on 3 consecutive measures, then the product does not meet evaluation standards. You can use a standard chart to make it easier and quicker to get accurate evaluations of appropriate social interactions or any desired student product. Why? Because the same slope always has the same value anywhere on the chart. It's constructed to make it easier to evaluate performance, product, and progress. It has a constant 2:3 ratio of vertical to horizontal axis and constant scales. In this case, I'm using a 3-log cycle chart with 200 minutes of interaction time or calendar days across the bottom. And here are the data for the rates of appropriate social interactions. You can see the green dots are the number of appropriate social interactions per minute, and the red diamonds are the number of inappropriate social interactions per minute, plotted by what we call cumulative minutes of learner interaction time. But for right now, I just want you to compare the dots, the green dots, to this goal line of 30 appropriate social interactions per minute, and tell me, does current product meet evaluation standards? The answer is no. So why do we evaluate desired student products? The value of the behavior is in its products, according to Tom Gilbert. The value of making appropriate eye contact is in the high rate of appropriate student-teacher interactions that are needed to increase the efficiency of student progress towards mastery of the language, social, self-management, and study skills necessary to achieve the student's long-term goals. So why evaluate desired student products before necessary student performance? If the current rate of appropriate social interactions meets evaluation standards, there's no need to teach social skills such as making appropriate eye contact, speaker and listener behavior, etc. Adapt or die. Pragmatic leaders do what it takes. Next up, session 10. Evaluate necessary learner performance.